Hello everyone. Let's dive into the BOYI GMK67, a 65% aluminum keyboard kit that's been making waves for its impressive features at a surprisingly accessible price point. This bare-bones kit boasts a solid CNC machined aluminum alloy body, giving it a premium feel that you wouldn't expect in this price range. The cool black finish looks sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any setup, whether it's for your office, gaming station, or creative workspace. One of the standout features of the GMK67 is its gasket-mounted design. This mounting style provides a more cushioned and flexible typing experience compared to traditional tray-mounted keyboards. The gaskets help to dampen vibrations and reduce noise, resulting in a smoother, more comfortable, and quieter typing feel. The GMK67 is also hot swappable, which means you can easily swap out the switches without any soldering. This is a huge plus for those who like to experiment with different switch types to find their perfect sound and feel. Whether you prefer linear, tactile, or clicky switches, the GMK67 gives you the freedom to customize your typing experience to your exact preferences. The south-facing LED design is another thoughtful touch, ensuring optimal RGB lighting visibility, especially when using cherry profile keycaps. The RGB backlighting itself is vibrant and customizable, allowing you to create stunning lighting effects to match your mood or setup. Connectivity is another area where the GMK67 shines. It offers tri-mode connectivity, including Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and Type-C wired options. Bluetooth 5.0 provides a stable and reliable wireless connection, allowing you to connect to multiple devices simultaneously. The 2.4G wireless mode offers a low-latency connection for gaming, while the Type-C wired option ensures a consistent and fast connection for everyday use. The 65% layout is a great compromise between functionality and space saving. It retains essential keys like the arrow keys and delete key while maintaining a compact footprint. This makes it ideal for those who want a smaller keyboard without sacrificing too much functionality. The BOYI GMK67 is a fantastic option for anyone looking to get into custom mechanical keyboards without breaking the bank. Its aluminum construction, gasket mount, hot swappable design, tri-mode connectivity, and customizable RGB lighting make it a feature-rich and versatile keyboard kit that's suitable for a wide range of uses, from office work to gaming and everything in between. It's a solid choice for students, professionals, gamers, and anyone who appreciates a high-quality typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.